Currently 41% of all jobs that come into work and income require a clean drug test. In some industries it's 100%, so if you look at forestry, I was in Christchurch recently, they said it's pretty much 100% drug testing for anyone that's working on the rebuild.
Why shouldn't it be that though for all jobs? Why should anyone be allowed to work on any job if they're taking drugs?
No, I think that's an employer's call as far as a health and safety issue. Certainly some of the research I've read or the polls I've seen most recently have it as high as anywhere between 80 and 90% of people think that people should be drug-free in the workforce.
What about these concerns that people will jump onto harder drugs which don't stay in the system for as long?
I've certainly seen no evidence of that whatsoever, and some of the drug testing agencies that I've spoken to that do this, and obviously with workplaces have been drug testing for some time, they've found no evidence of people moving to harder drugs because of a result of drug testing.
And cutting people's benefits, I mean, what, just leave them out there, no money for however long with no support?
Well, we currently sanction people if they don't meet their obligations. In fact, we sanction anywhere between 3,500 and 4,000 people a month. What's important is that they can recomply, and that's what's been a little bit difficult with this policy. In general, when people are work tested and they don't turn up to an interview, they can recomply quite easily. So hence why people make a verbal agreement to stop taking drugs, hence why we give them, they can take the time to actually prove that they're drug-free but still be on a benefit. So I think we've got a right balance there of fairness, but there is a policy now that if you can't pass a drug test and there's a requirement that an employer needs one, then your benefit may be cut.
Have you released this report today as a distraction from the fact that there's a significant poverty report out today?
Oh, not at all. Look, we've been looking at sort of the timing of a whole number of announcements that you'll see over the next 2 to 3 weeks. We've got Welfare Reform 2 coming in gusto. To be honest, there's so much happening at the moment, I don't think there's ever the right day for anything, and there was no other meaning other than that.